Hello rail fans, here we've got Q576. This one's from May 4th of 2021. Q576 is a daily manifest that goes from Radnor Yard in Nashville, Tennessee up to Queensgate Yard in Cincinnati, Ohio. On this day it's pulled up by 3 GE locomotives. We got 5406 and 5263 in the lead. Those are both ES40 DCs. And 3022 trailing third and ES44 AC. Those front two, 5406, 5263, I believe they spent some time in storage, 2018, 2019, somewhere in that ballpark. Looks like there's a couple-year gap on all the websites of any sightings and pictures of those. Both units look to be in fairly rough shape paint-wise. We're out at the tracks, actually. This is about 5 or 5:30 p.m. We were hoping to catch K423 on his way south. He had a Ferromex locomotive trailing, which would have been our first sighting of a Ferromex, but it started raining pretty good. We'd had some severe weather earlier in the day, some more forecasted for the evening, and so we wound up giving up on that. It sounds like it came through about an hour and a half after we left trackside, so a little disappointed by that, but those K trains generally come back with the same power they go down on, so we'll be looking for a K422 hopefully in the near future that will hopefully have that Ferromex unit on it. So used the GoPro on this day, didn't take out the new camera because of the weather. Again, by the end of this video it was raining pretty good on the camera, but it looks like none of the drops got on the lens, which is good. And just thought we'd throw it down at ground level, a little bit below track level here, and give you a little different perspective than what we normally do. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.